We're going to make some masks, very simple masks, and all you need to do this is a pair of scissors, piece of paper, it can be a piece of scrap paper as long as one side is blank, and a pencil, some crayons. That's all you need. In these masks, I'm going to use as inspiration the designs of the native peoples of southeastern Alaska. I think they make some really fabulous masks. So that's what we're going to think about as we're making this mask. So the first step is take your sheet of paper and fold it in half, lengthwise. And it doesn't have to be exact. Close enough is close enough. And then draw an oval shape with your pencil, like that. Now we're going to take the scissors and we're going to cut both layers like this. You don't have to follow the line perfectly because it's whatever you want it to be. So there's the basic shape of the mask. And having the fold down the middle makes it a little stiffer so you can hold it in front of your face like that. Now, the next thing we want to do is draw a design. So I'm going to put a couple of eyes here. Actually, I'm going to look at this guy as an example. And once you have your design, however you want it, then it's time to color in with the crayons. So the hardest part is if you want to have eye holes where you can see through, that's really hard to do. The original masks that I'm using as an example, they didn't have eye holes. You would just hold this mask in front of your face and sort of look around it. But if you want to try to make eye holes, here's what you do, and it's really easy to mess this up. Pinch a little bit right on the eye, and then you're going to take your scissors and cut right there. You have to make sure you don't cut too far. And then you sort of get the tip of your scissors in there and try to cut around the eye hole. And mostly when you do this, it doesn't come out looking exactly right. You can see that there's some, I can't quite get all of the eye hole out. But if that's what you want, that's what you can do. finally get that done. So there's the mask. And the easiest way to do it is hold it up in front of your face. And you'll see whatever's on the back side of it. But the people looking at you will see that amazing mask face. And once you make one, you might as well make another one. And you can make all different kinds of masks, all made out of scrap paper.